Dear student, in previous classes, I was discussing regarding the how to develop the state model for the given differential equation. Today class also I am going to consider another example. This is also asked in the previous question papers, asked in the previous examination. So now here, this is the given differential equation. Therefore, we need to choose the how many. Now this is the given differential equation. We need to choose the given differential equation is, this is the given differential equation. Now this is a third order system because this is a order of the system is a 3. Therefore, we need to, this is a third order system, order system. Hence, we need to choose. Hence, we need to choose 3 state variable. This is very important. State variables are the x1, x2, x3 are the state variables. So u1, u2, u3 are the input variables. So the right state model is nothing but the writing this state equation. The state equation is nothing but the first derivative of the state variable. X is a state variable. The first derivative of the state variable is called as the state equation. Now this is equal to ax plus bu. A is a matrix, x is a vector, u is a vector, this is the state vector. The state equation is nothing but is a linear combination. It is a linear combinations of the state vector and the output vector. So it's a first derivative of the state variable is equal to the linear combinations of the state variable and the input vector is called as the state equation. The writing the state equation and also the output equation is called as the state model of the system. Obtain the state model means we need to write down the state equation and output equation. In order to write the state equation, we need to choose the state variables. How many state variables we need to choose? There are 3 state variables we need to choose because order of the differential equation is the third order. Therefore, we need to choose the 3 state variables. We need to choose 3 state variables. We need to choose. Therefore, here x1, x2, x1 and x2, x2. Let x1, x2 and x3 be the state variables. Now we need to assume what is the value of x1. We need to, what is the value of first state variable? I know that the value of the first state variable is equal to output of the system. Y is the output of the state model. Therefore, now this is called as a equation 1. Now this is called as a equation 2. Now what is the another state variable x2 and is equal to first derivative of this output 2. Now what is x3? Now this is called as 3. Now second derivative of the output variable minus this I should write 3 into r of t. I should write here there is a 3 into r dash of t is present. So therefore I need to write 3 into r of t. If I differentiate this, then I should get the likewise we need to write down. Here the first r dash of t ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. r dash of t ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ r of t ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. r double dash of t ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ you should write r dash of t ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Now this is the very important in this particular choosing the third state variable and assigning this value to the third state variable is a very important in this particular problem. Now I have chosen these 3 state variables and assign the output, first derivative of the output, second derivative of the output minus 3 into this quantity in right hand side, 3 into there is a r dash of t Therefore, I have written minus 3 into r of t. I have written no. Now, this is the very important in this particular problem. Now, differentiate. Now, with respect to differentiating equation with respect to t. Differentiate now. Differentiate equation 1, equation 2 with respect to t. What is differentiation of dx1 by dt is equal to written as the first derivative of the state variable x1 is equal to written as, now this is the state equation form I should write. Now this is equal to y dash o. Now what is the value of y dash o is equal to x2. Now what is the value of x2? Now this is equal to, this can be written as, there are three variables, so other two variables are off signed. Therefore I should write matrix form. That is what I have written. 0 into x1 now plus this value 1 into x2 plus 0 into x3 plus 0 into u. I should write x dash is equal to ax plus bu form. I should write this equation. Now this is equation 3. 2, 3. Equation 5. Now similarly, differentiate equation 3 with respect to t. Now what is the value of dx2 by dt? Left hand side, if I differentiate y dash, then y this become y double dash. So now what is the value of y double dash? Is equal to x3. Now this can be written as 0 into x1 no, plus 0 into x3 x2 plus 1 into x3 plus 0 into u. Now this is equation 6. Now similarly differentiate equation 4 with respect to t. This equation I should differentiate. Now what is the, now this is the actually x2 dot. Now this is x1 dash. Now this is x3 dash. To differentiate this, we will get the x3 dash d by dx3 by dt is equal to what? X3 dot, if I differentiate in right hand side, if I differentiate y triple dash, this becomes minus 3 into r dash of t. Now what is x3 dash o? X3 dot o is equal to y triple dash minus 3 into r of t. From equation 1 we need to calculate this value. Y triple dash minus 3 into r of t value we need to calculate from equation 1. I need to calculate the, that is the from equation 1. What is the value of y triple dash? Y triple dash, here there is a y triple dash. If I bring this 3 into r dash of t. If I bring this quantity here, left hand side, I'm taking this quantity on the right hand side. Therefore, minus this 6 into y. If I take the right hand side, minus 11 into y, minus if I take this, minus 6 into y double dash. Here there is a quantity 2 into r of t. Now what is the value of, now this value I should write, substitute here. Before that you have to simplify. Now what is the value of minus 6 into y value is equal to x1 minus 11 into y dash value is x2. And similarly 6 into y double dash value, what is the value of y double dash value? I have assumed x3 is equal to y double dash minus 3 into r dash of t. R of t, I have assumed. Therefore, this value I should substitute here. Now what is the y double dash value? Is equal to y double dash is equal to x3 plus 3 into r of t. By choosing the state variable, I have taken the x3 is equal to y double dash minus 3 into rt. Now, if I want to y double dash t, what is the value? X3 plus 3 into rt. Here I should write 6 into x3 plus 3 into r of t plus 2 into r of t. Now, what will be the value? Now, what will be the value of here? Therefore, now what is the value of this? Equal to, now this is equal to what? Now this is equal to minus 6 into x1. No, minus 11 into x2 minus 6 into x3 minus minus into plus minus 6 into 3 80 r of t plus this 2 rt 2 into r of t. Now this is equal to what? Now this is equal to minus 6 into x1. No, minus 11 into x2 minus 6 into x3 minus 6 18 minus, what will be the value of 18 minus 2 is equal to 18 minus 2 is equal to 16 r of t. R of t is nothing but the u of t. Now this is the x3 dash. Now this is the value of another state variable. So now this is the x3 dash. So now this is equation 7. From equation by using equation by using the equations by using 4, 5, 6, 7. Equation 5, 6, and 7. We can write state equation in matrix form. Therefore, in left hand side, what will be the value here? x1 dash, x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dash, I should write. Now these values, x1 dot, what will be the x2 dot and x3 dot. Right hand side, I should write the here. What will be the here? 0. Quotient of the matrix is 1, 0. Now this equation is over. Now second equation. Consider second equation. No, the quotient is 0. Now this is 0 into x2 is 1. No, and this is equal to this into x1, no, x2, x3 plus 0. Return from this here. This is also 0. Now similarly from equation 7, what will be the value? Minus 6, so minus 11, no, minus 6. So again here 16u into u input vector. So now this is the state equation in matrix form. Now write down the output equation. The state model is nothing but the writing the state equation and output equation. Therefore, the output equation should write. Now this is the state equation. output equation I should write in matrix form. So write the output equation in right matrix form. What will the output y? We should assume, we have assumed y is equal to x1. Beginning itself, as while choosing the state variable, I have assumed the y is equal to x1. Therefore, what is the y? See 1 into x1. There are 3 state variables. Other 2 variables values are 0. Therefore, 0 into x2, 0 into x3. Therefore, this can be written as 1, 0, 0 into x1, x3. Now, this is the output equation. This is an output equation. Output equation in matrix form. Matrix form. Hence, state model is nothing but state model is a vector form of vector form of state equation and output equation. Yes, the state model is a vector form of state equation and output equation. Now, this is also asked many times in the examination. No, not to go through this particular problem, because these 3 examples are very important to, and also to understanding the concept of state model. So, in the next class onwards, I'm going to consider another type of problem. If electrical network is given, how to generate the state model for the electrical network. I'm going to discuss in next session. Thank you for listening.